My name's Julian Linnebrink. I'm project director at TROTEC, part of the Dantam Group. We are located in the new logistics hall in Heinsberg. This newly built hall opened this year, spanning 55,000 square meters with 49,000 pallet bays. My project team and I were in charge of fitting out the interior of the logistics hall that we've spent the last few years redesigning and rebuilding here. We created and verified the logistics concept, selected shelving and industrial trucks, and designed all logistics hall processes. The TROTEC project is one of the largest shelving system projects we've sold so far. Our working partnership with TROTEC was very successful. Together we could effectively navigate all the project's ups and downs. During peak summer or winter periods, we ship a lot of air conditioners or heaters, and demand can quickly reach 10 to 15,000 orders per day. Hall 1 has a narrow aisle solution with our MXX. We also have wide aisle racking, and most shelving in halls 4 and 5 is covered with drive-in rack storage. The iGo Neo was a key reason why we opted to work with Stihl, precisely because it sets itself apart from other trucks by market competitors in terms of technology, design, and handling. The truck's been with us for a few weeks now, and we hope our employees see significant improvements in ergonomic strain. My task was to ensure that after sales was equipped to look after the trucks. That is, we've put the trucks into operation, starting with the MXX very narrow aisle truck, and then the reach trucks and warehouse trucks. The service is truly unbeatable, and I've worked with many different manufacturers. One call and the next day the service team arrives and sorts everything out. That's ideal for me. The short official channels to our Stihl contacts have worked perfectly from day one. Communication at its best. For us, that's a vital part of our continued collaboration. It makes it enjoyable.